Hi guys, we have seen multiple videos talking about COVID-19, drugs treatment, etc. etc. Have you noticed nobody talks about the drug approval methods for any drugs? This is because if you need to know the drug approvals, you should know on regulatory pathways. In our channel, we have discussed pharma companies that are racing for COVID-19 drug treatments and discovery. Here we shall see what are the methods, so-called regulatory pathways, used by the FDA for faster drug approvals for COVID-19 or any other drugs that needs to enter the market at a faster pace. So let's see the multiple regulatory pathways used by the FDA for faster drug approvals. This is Pharma portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. The pathways mentioned here are the views evaluated by our team and may change time to time. Any points may differ from the original content, so viewers' discretion is advised. So, what's a regulatory pathway? It's a series of steps regulated by the health authority for a faster drug approval. Pharma companies choose a suitable pathway so that their products can enter the market at faster pace. The right path will lead you to the faster drug approval and save millions of dollars and save time, and it helps the drug to reach the market and save the patients. The regulatory pathways are mostly classified as pre-approval pathway, emergency approval pathways, traditional pathways, expedited pathways, non-traditional pathways. Many pathways are available for COVID-19 and specific pathway was established called CTAP, Coronavirus Treatment Acceleration Program. This pathway was created based on a collaboration of many accelerated pathways. Expanded access is also called compassionate use. In this method, companies apply to gain access for their investigational medicinal product when the other treatment is not satisfactory. A right to try pathway helps companies to try an IND where they have tried all approved treatments or unable to participate in a clinical trial. There are a lot of differences between expanded access and right to try in the basis of restriction and access. So don't get confused. Orphan drug designation is the status for the drug to treat a rare disease for a population or patients less than 2 lakh people per year. The companies benefit in exclusivities in these methods. In expedited pathway, the first is the priority review designation. Companies justify the products to treat serious conditions which deliver a significant improve in the safety and efficacy. In fast track designation, companies apply the application so that it helps to facilitate the development and agency fasten the review of the drugs. Applicable for only serious conditions and unmet medical needs. Example, AIDS. Meanwhile, breakthrough therapy designation helps in accelerate the development and review of the drugs that treat serious conditions and preliminary clinical evidences justify the drug is better than the existing therapy on a clinical significant endpoints. Meanwhile, accelerated approval helps products for which there is an urgent need for patients' serious unmet conditions that is approved based on surrogate endpoint. The animal rule pathway helps in the drug approval for biological products when study is not feasible on humans. Emergency method pathways has a main method called the emergency use authorization pathway that helps the use of unapproved drug products used in certain emergency situations after a proper justification by the company to the HHS. The another emergency method pathway is the emergency discretion. Emergency discretion method is allowed to deal situations like drug shortages. Finally, the non-traditional methods in which there are multiple pathways, among them the pharmaceutical compounding 503B is one of which involves the combination of mixing chemicals and ingredients to make a medication for an individual patient, which is also regulated by the FDA. The traditional pathway includes many pathways and let's see few that's very important and we shall see the overview here and briefly in the upcoming videos. New drug application is in which the drug sponsors propose FDA to approve a new drug. Biological license application is a request to introduce a biological product to the market. 505B2 pathway is for drug approvals in which a new route of administration or a change is applied where there is no patent protection. Abbreviated new drug application is submitted to the FDA for review and approval of a generic drug product. Authorized generic is in which a drug is marketed after the permission of the drug from the original sponsor and marketed using the drug's generic name. Supplemental NDA and BLA pathways in which the companies can submit evidence for the indication of a product to be expanded or changed based on the new evidence. If there are some more regulatory pathways that I have missed, kindly mention them in the comments, guys. Hope you liked this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any questions, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma portal channel. Bye.